Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Atom Man G7 PT ultra high-end mini PC, and the PC is equipped with world first AMD Advantage certified A plus A high performance mini PC featuring the AMD R9 7945HX processor and RX 7600M XT dedicated GPU. It will be available for pre-order soon and the Minis Forum official store. And the G7 PT is part of the Atom Man high-end brand gaming series designed specifically for gamers and creators, and it is equipped with the AMD's most powerful Ryzen 9 7945HX processor and built on 5nm process with Gen 4 architecture and the 16-core and 32 threads processor featuring an all-big core design, 80 MB of high-speed cache and the boost frequency up to 5.4 GHz and delivering up to 200% performance improvement over the Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, and it comes with AMD Radeon RX 7600M XT dedicated graphics card based on RDNA 3 architecture with 32 compute units and 2048 stream cores and 8 GB GDDR6 maximum video memory and gaming frequency of up to 2300 MHz, and it can effortlessly handle high load scenarios such as video editing, 3D rendering, AI computing, animation production, and AAA gaming. And additionally, G7 PT is the world's first AMD Advantage certified mini PC, and it features cold wave ultra cooling system which uses a vertically single heat pipe with dual air intake in series and dual side quiet fans, and it also includes enhanced DDR SSD active cooler and dual liquid metal at heat pipe separately, and achieving a cooling capacity of 205 watt with maintaining noise level of as low 45 dB. In terms of interface and expandability, the G7 PT has dual-channel DDR5 SODIMM RAMs and supporting up to 96 GB DDR5 5200 MHz memory, and its world first mini PC support PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD, offering data transfer speed and bandwidth wins that a PCIe 4.0 with lower latency and improved energy efficient, and it also features HDMI 2.1, DP 2.0, USB-C full capacity video output interface, allowing simultaneously connections of 3 4K display, and coupled with the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. It offers ultra high speed network connectivity. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.